everybody, welcome back to an all-new episode of Complex. Today we're looking at Misa, the next generation of social robots. Now, we reviewed a lot of robots before, so seeing what this is about should be quite interesting to see, especially comparing to the other social robots. Now, the basic appearance, it does look like a touchscreen robot that moves about and goes ahead and interacts, and is honestly kind of geared more towards children. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's on the inside. So this is the box that they sent us. It showcases the robot here on the front. Kind of slides out just like that. There you go. User manual / startup guide. All right, so it just says thank you. And then we have our standard user guide. It goes ahead and explains how to go ahead and use the app and stuff of that function. And we have a command list as well. So you can go ahead and make small talk with it. You can play a game. You can learn about nutrition. You can even book an Uber. All right, you can do animal sounds, movements, hotel booking, Wikipedia, fitness, stock market? What the heck? Okay, cool. This here is our robot. All right. It is a cute looking robot. Comes with a handle on the top here, kind of how I'm kind of carrying it about. Some things I noticed that there looks like there's two microphones here on the top. We have a camera here on the bottom, a camera here on the front. Looks like we have a sensor here on the front as well as a button. On the bottom we do see that the robot does move via wheels, and then these rotating panels, which I might imagine kind of help it maneuver about. We also have a sensor on the back as well as a port here. So we have ourselves an on-off switch, a USB port, microphone, and a DC 5 volt, as well as a micro SD card port. We have our speaker on the back as well, and of course our lovely touchscreen. The arms don't move and the robot just kind of moves out just like that, so we'll see in a little bit, right? All right, so what else do we have in here? So that's interesting. So it does come with a microphone. So I guess you can go ahead and party it about with this robot, being almost like a jukebox kind of deal. Comes with a pink microphone. I would imagine as a kid that's probably really cool. And then of course it comes with another microphone. So the two microphone ports on the back there. And we have a blue one. There you go. Now we're talking. So we have two microphones based on who's playing or who's singing. Not seen a robot come with a standard microphone. Now lastly, we have our charger. So it looks like a standard charger. So this here is just going to go ahead and plug into the back. And then we have a variety of multiple ports for our universal adapter. So you can technically go ahead and use this around the world. So obviously there is a port on the back here. It looks like it's an on-off switch. I'm going to go ahead and put it on. And let's see what happens. There you go. So our boot up screen is officially on. It says Misa. And it showcases the robot smiling about. It says thank you for choosing Misa as your family companions. And now it's telling us to scan the app code. All right, open. There you go. So we found our Misa Connect. So we're gonna sign in with Google and connect our robot. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on device and hit confirm. Let's say I'm dad. All right, so we're all set and ready to go. All right, so this here is our Misa, our main hub for whatever means. So we have our video call, we have a camera mode, we have a kids TV, entertainment, messages, gallery. So it's literally a tablet on a screen. So if I click on this here, I can go ahead and pull up the face of Misa. All right, so Misa is finally up and loaded. We have Misa screen right over here. Okay, so you can go ahead and click on Misa control. I'm assuming this is going to allow us to control the robot, so I can go ahead and move it about. So pretty standard stuff in terms of a robot. There's a dance mode. Click on dance. Misa's got some dance moves. All right, yeah, you're gonna fall off. Okay, so That was Misa dancing. Now, one thing I've kind of noticed is that the sounds of the actual motors are a little bit louder than the music, so you can't really hear it. So you have a video call mode, so you can technically connect to Misa if you're out and about. So you'll get an acceptance. You'll go ahead and click on accept. Okay, and we're connecting to Dad, which is me. It's still connecting. All right. Hey. That's cool. So there's a bit of a delay. But it allows me to go ahead and control the robot, which is kind of cool. I switch cameras. That's my own personal camera. Whoa! So you get to see my face on the screen there, and you get to see yourself as well too. So that's kind of cool. And you can go ahead and drive the robot about. So kind of nice that you can go ahead and talk to whoever's on the other side. So that is video call mode. There's a surveillance mode. There's a device manager, which obviously allows us to go ahead and control what apps are allowed and what apps are not allowed. You can go ahead and control the volume of the robot. You can go ahead and do a variety of different tasks to go ahead and give it a nice customized feel. So let's go ahead and increase the brightness. There we go. And then let's increase the volume. All right. So our screen's a lot brighter now, so I think that kind of helps out with the screen. So that is Misa Connect. So you have a variety of different features. So you have a festival, lullabies, kids stories, kids routines, audio library, and good habits. So for instance, if I click on festivals, I can go ahead and make it wish a Merry Christmas, a Happy Birthday, and stuff of that nature. So this here is going to be our main hub in terms of the app function goes. So you have your video call mode, your camera mode, your kids OTV, your entertainment. So if I click on entertainment here, these are a variety of games that you can technically play. So like Mr. Bean's Maze, move it around like that. But yeah, it kind of gives you an idea what that's about. So this here is a home button. You can go ahead and go back to the main screen, and we can go ahead and adjust our app settings and software updates. We have a clock as well, so you can go ahead and leave it on the clock mode. So that's kind of cool. You can go ahead and set up an alarm clock. So kind of pulling up the command list, which I'm kind of curious to see how this plays out. You're gonna go ahead and start off by saying, "Hey Misa, dance." Hey Misa, wink.
Wink is a facial expression made by briefly closing one eye.
Hey Misa. Hey Misa, show me your angry face. What the yeah. Hey Misa, play beatbox. All right, so you can go ahead and take the microphone next. All right, so I just plugged in the microphone so I can technically use it as a jukebox. Hey guys, what's up? Surprisingly, it's actually pretty loud. Oh yeah. I mean, I'm not sure what you'll do with it, but definitely cool as a kid. So yeah, kind of gives you an idea what it is. Definitely is a smart robot. It has a built-in AI program that allows you to go ahead and technically talk to it, do a variety of commands from ordering food to simply dancing or doing a beatbox. So yeah, there you guys have it. So it kind of gives you an idea what this robot's about now. If you guys had any questions about Misa, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. See you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.